legal assistance for all kinds of family matters such as childcare, contested and uncontested divorce, and injunctions for domestic violence. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you in this difficult time, which is why we offer confidential advice delivered in a sensitive manner. Are you seeking advice on immigration-related matters? At BWF Solicitors, our immigration team are experts in dealing with everything from general immigration to complex immigration point-based system. Our office is open from 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday, and on Saturdays by appointment only from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. We are located at 4th floor Anna House, 214 Tottenham High Road, N15 4NP. Together with a number of expert barristers, you can be certain to receive specialist care and commitment from BWF Solicitors.
For Legal Hour, GN Radio, live on Sky Channel 0185, online and on Facebook, live GN Radio UK, and also on DAB across London. For the best advice in family law, immigration applications and appeals, court representations, interpretation of UK and Ghana laws, property and money disputes, social services issues, we sure bet any BWF Solicitors and Ramun Seminara. BWF Solicitors. Come, talk to us. Bring us your legal problems. Your 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218, Tottenham High Road, Nassau. 7 Sisters, London N15 4NP. Find us and talk to us Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Telephone 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884 or 079 3141 1042.
Hello, this is BWF Solicitors. How may I help you?
BWF Solicitors. We know the law. Come to us. Yeah, BWF Solicitors and one adaruma yensa aka jumedi ya yede brewo ene senior medical boy manieno many about my tea and I very fresh from okay. Sounds so and your Uncle Rich ewaha say obabe boy na yabe your questions and your concerns no ano efa emremu and samahudo no enyina. BWF Solicitors ewo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so 7 Sisters North London. Abusia we juma Monday to Friday. Anopa 9:30 ekusi enwumre 6 o'clock. Anopa 9:30 ekusi enwumre 6 o'clock. Okoha obefa train a underground obefa Victoria line at the akwakusi 7 Sisters. Udu 7 Sisters are use exit number 2. Upie free exit number 2. Adai si wendem no your friend no Anna House. Omo 4th floor. Telephone number ni 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. Abusia edru fiada anopa woba na yenu etna GN radio so your Sky Channel 0185 ifri no ndu ekopem ne duba akoso your number dey adwuma no 0203 735 8820 and also be send a text and now WhatsApp at the abreme was 077 879 39958. Yeah, live our Facebook GN Radio UK. Announce so say over call BWF Solicitors one web page no so. And I say Facebook page no so. Na wako share senior isi etie. The classroom is active. And I'm a friend classroom no. Biya aba class. Ayeba bi sua de. Adesua yesua no ye wasitena mu nsam. Emremu nkomo sene yesitie enya immigration nko a bia na asem bi eche wadwen so a opese lawyer ni echechero mu no yiwa no BWF Solicitors omo wo ho adagye pa nti anopai omo abai na wose yehwe na fe yede enkomo no ebrewo ema ni nyina etimi eto ye eno nti me danemo na fe ma introduce eye Uncle Rich boss
Good morning.
Good morning, senior.
Last week, I'm for a year, you know. My tea, yeah, Copoguay.
My idea. When you be,
my tea is a core here. Oh, yeah.
oh, Mimi school, no, a shankuku.
I would take it.
Anyway, I don't pay a to say BWF Solicitors.
Ejumudi Boko. I'm say the wow nimano. Yeah, very very busy, and you know, yeah, that time is scarce, but we always allocate time for our clients.
Oh, definitely. Say Yamunyada J. Babetwang ha. Mamu nimano yen your Brixton. From Seven Sisters to Brixton. A quantum be womb. Baby, or more ankasa craw, almost a tear and son or Masoriano pa, a baby drew hano, say Nipano on Pewasama. Few grab because who are you? Then so yada uchedi apo nyame as say anopebia or my and as if you don't pebia or my kwan say yemra my tea ewo hasen mi kan boy mama ne no enti e be call yen text message lines no so 0778793958. Great. Me wa me start question and me dey no ebeba na my main call the dikan so na me misa what say otu kwan na obabedri na nipa one ne ete efie no o high die wo nipa kro ne fie na nipa kro no a change locks no bedri ya say ne tenancy no aso ne rent so ye wontua no otu kwan ekoye na wabai anya ade a obema ne ho kwan ma na room enti no on ye onko no nche the time oba be fa ne niama na time no so a oba bibie door na ama no na afi wayi ne niama afim no de obisa ne say sa ne ye no.
Well, for we dey mefa a very very good morning. Emma Munyina once again, and I am second week Mabaha. I'm enjoying my substitute teacher role very very well. So my Jack Black moments is almost coming to an end. Okay, so I'm say the obusa same way no sen ye betime nya more facts that what I am thinking they say bia on any landlord on any fira eneti.
Okay, yeah.
The entire maker say utu kwan na woba na say ya change locks to your door. They are not just say obi wo ho a owo to me or tifi ho a obetimi take that steps now.
Okay.
Well, emremo no ye fra dey be excluded tenant. So we excluded tenant. Our rights are very limited in relation to who occupy or property exclusively. Yenina yenim say kruma say enye obi anetimi etonidan and I say ono or council property.
Okay.
So ebia wako one room, a 2-bedroom house. Landlord no occupy one any living room na wode one amount. And nyame aboa wotimi etukan kakra ko di holidays adjo ho aba. Ebia na wo kono ansa na wo be kono na there were some issues. Yemfa bibi to say ebia rent. Na wonya say what you rent and I say fear and no can say or per se wo free hodom or ma notice. It could be verbal notice or it could be a written notice set free fear honum. Now, and I'm say the obusa say me say only free one in it, you know. If free one is not obliged to actually give him any formal notice, all that if free one can will do and he say oh man or catch and say ebia 1 week time free fear say ko. Okay. Obusa say na adentina say we rent property from estate agents and I say outside what rights now obi one in the landlord to the only sa rights no well yenina in section 21 notice what you be fee on a temporary basis no pursue to also amount notice sometimes we recommend 4 weeks but waba ya lucky odan what I'm thinking is say we don't know the notice onyaye and sana oko.
Okay,
so on man notice kakra say ebia 2 weeks and 3 weeks free fee say na notice no time no upper one.
Okay.
Unfortunately, landlord don't have the young can say or a coin just say obetimi allocate property na on my yes. Now you say in harassment so be take actions now it could amount to harassing you as a tenant. Unfortunately, on this occasion you may not have those entitlements because the medical canon you are only aligned to see our landlord on the property Nti so amount informal notice say free honum na so one free honum na so oba no changing locks. Actually, obetimi cry you niema ego abonten.
Hey,
this regulation came at the time, the 80s. Now what they wanted to do, they said no person try so encourage landlords to rent their property out, although say omoti hobby, because there was scarcity of houses and properties. And so they say yen go emren say so we a landlord na so one obi eti dia sa emra na yahye fa Landlord and Tenant Act na ebo tenant ho ban say untimi ye say ni na will not apply, so that landlords will be encouraged to rent their rooms to people. And that is a shortage of housing no akofom.
Okay.
So we a landlord who 3-bedroom house you were encouraged to rent 2 to people.
Okay.
As long as we're renting properties to people, you are actually decreasing people who have to go to the council for support.
Okay.
So it was a win-win situation for the government. And there is also almost to say, ebema landlords and freedom to how to operate the tenancy, our modiama and crofone. And you say, okay, so the American, our badness are lucky doors now. Say also some sort of means be a bit many landlord no na kasana wakwa niema, because my belief is that landlord might have given him or her some sort of informal notice and be a warranty and I'm so call holidays and channel buy and you're looking. Unfortunately, this is not the situation. You say, you can actually challenge the landlord being or very unreasonable because of say unenity. Now you find the other side. You find say landlord name or maybe a 2 bedrooms now, or they rented 2 people. Okay. And what taking this action there, then it will be against the law that the landlord has been unreasonable and it's unlawful to actually treat a tenant that way. Then tenant can take this action against the landlord for unreasonable and also unlawful actions against the tenancy, because in any say so we rented property from a landlord that you have exclusive right to be there, to even exclude the landlord himself from your enjoyment. It's about human rights. Everybody has right to enjoy their home. And any action like that, will be trampling on the person's human rights. But you find say a general you find say be on a landlord net. That is why the landlord has able to take those actions.
Okay. The next one, quite a lengthy one, but in try set me abonotofa at the I was say ne baba application refuse to on the premise of Abu Boswe. Ne why application ama ne baba ne refuse to ne baba ne de ne ma me de o ye kan ho no so ne ma me de ne de refuse. Almost say I'm not satisfied that you meet the requirements of paragraph 4.1v and paragraph 4.10, 4.11, 4.13 of appendix V. Immigration rules for visitors, because say you applied for a visitor's visa along with your mother. However, her visa application has been refused. As she is no longer traveling to the UK and no other reason for your travel without her has been put forward, I am not satisfied as to your intentions in wishing to travel to the UK. I am not satisfied that you are genuinely seeking entry into the UK as a child visitor, that you intend to leave at the end of your proposed visit, or that suitable arrangements are in place for your travel, reception and care in the UK. Your application is refused under paragraphs V42A and C and V411 of the Immigration Act. Your advice, if I can do pre-action protocol, with too much. Only mami to Kayaba. Mami so maybe you the aniana or no on sign. Say the gist of the whole thing. No.
This is rare because say a visit visa, not mami and a child. I mean, I really can't understand why mami no de yes obetimi mami no de man.
Yeah, the man, but no mami so nyen to kwani ti abofra
and so refusing. Well, I mean, it could be that the application was made as a joint, so only oba a to kwani. So the whole essence was that you are traveling both together to maybe as a and as a more a tourist. As a child, you can't travel on your own. So normally the application will be that you are tied to the parent or the adults.
Okay.
It is a mamenesi maybe mudia not just abofrano a visit. The intention of the visit has now collapsed. Okay. Because it was so that what they sold to the entry clearance officer was that meneme mame UK call holidays. Say maame na cancel travel ne dia, not just akra no intention to come here no. It will be flawed because of course then a baby be say any be as abofra no kwa ye mane ba e bi kura na okwa join ne auntie bia na ne maame bi ho a omma bim on say omo mention appendix V42 no V42 no a genuine intention of a visitor. That's what is it. That's the paragraph V of the immigration rules and then they say genuine intention of a visitor and then they say oba obesan a return on this occasion say maame no say omba na just abofra no kwa bad and ebia na omo entry clearance officer na adwen bibi say they are just shipping this child to UK to stay with a relative. And so they are doubting the genuine intention of this visit and now omo refuse to abofra
and no sir no then action no bit me take how does he prove say adwene na entry clearance officer na nya no enter sir
also abribia na can say the problem with visit visas is the subjectiveness of the whole thinking and the whole assessment because how you can actually convince an entry clearance officer to accept the fact that genuine visitor is so difficult because all the documentation HSA will qualify well we the refuser we who say one or satisfy be apart from the genuine intention all the documents are called say you can afford the travel we be o mama na papa na sponsor bibia is accurate. Okay, now abofra kitwa uko school na wonkwa wono maame ko baby na wo maame so wonko now the since where are you going you know it's say application omo yese bia no mo be join a family omo be visit a family member yem fancy abofra ne o maame no mo be stra e bia nka omo papa e wo krom hase ya what can be done any pre-action protocol now or mention you know it can actually be done. It can only be done where visit no was a family visit on say visited visa and you ma hodo bebre or obi a oba as a tourist obi a oba as ebia or oba be mass speech and as sport. So there are categories but so we application is say oba be stra a family member na e refuse so yen na yen say visit visa doesn't attract right of appeal and you can have administrative review so you refuse na emom say a family visit there can be a pre-action protocol no and say o catch home office lawyers for say decision na entry clearance officer na ayeno was wrong but your amount right of appeal and I will need administrative review and so all that you can do is that you have to go to judicial review as such as any government department, be it home office, and make a decision. Not the way or make a decision was wrong. You can challenge that. So in this case, you are challenging the fact that, well, you did not actually assess my my application well because you are basing the decision on the fact that my mom is not coming. Me mama is omba. That got nothing to do with me because Mr. Sono now me were interested me ba share UK. You name the age ABS we 14 15. Ono so ebia waka na namfofo nyina o school say me call London. It's on this case and I say bia and am say me call me papa me hu na che. So if that is the case there then a pre-action protocol na betima yibi say you know what ma abofrey so oba be sane papa no I spend the quality time during the summer holidays it's against him or her human rights it's abribia na ka say article 3 and 8 na obeti imagine so I say because of saying can maybe family member no that is only family member no enti mo mame mo sanya reconsideration of my case and I say pre-action protocol say mo make a decision for fra may judicial review. So the medical and judicial review would then assess how the entry clearance officer or the home office actually assess his or her application. So there is a small chance that obitima yibibi a challenge way, but it's not appeal and it's not review, but it's just pre-action protocol threatening home office that if you don't do something, I'm asking, then I'm gonna go to judicial review. Judicial review, and I'm saying immigration into an upper tier tribunal na a bit, but it's costly. So most of the time, your action ended up on pre-action protocol. Now, omama reasons because I say lawyers and omama very good reason as to why oma make it that decision. Then it ends there because if you want to take it further to the judicial review, you're gonna incur a lot of cost. So my advice would be that say oba bestra family member dia obetima ye pre-action protocol say decision na home officer na entry clearance officer na was wrong na wa challenge o mo.
Okay. Abusuafo senior mohun no ye ne mayeti na ewa na along the line no ye behwe na afi ye de mo voice notes no ne ade e abramo line now aye active ubetimi afre 0203 735 8820 0203 735 8820 and now we send wo WhatsApp no ade abrayen say a voice note na bibisa ubetimi ade abrayen was 077 879 39958. My team said WhatsApp no be na ya senia and also AC cro obi voice note ewa yemfa ento so.
Good morning, Uncle Kweku. Good morning, Uncle Richard. Pacho, me feel FLRFP as a parent of a child on the 10-year route. Now, Pacho, me question is income, a proof of income, any accommodation. I was saying, Miss Philibiana, meaning say Uncle Ben Casse, so what 10-year route no so a accommodation and maintenance no won't feel it, but me feel forms no. Me drew page 17 of 61 after question 5.12 no. I come about income sources. How often is this income received and amount? You know, I say it is mandatory to complete this section. Please note, this application will be invalid if you do not. However, idea about under this session, about the income and expenditure no continuation, income sources continuation, and if there is anything else you wish to tell us, 5.13. But those sections also, I think, say they don't apply to me. But as I say, it is mandatory to complete this section. Until my confused, I was saying me failure and I say and say me failure. But you explain, mommy, page 17 of 61. After 5.2, no, I say it is mandatory to complete this section. But ocean so are there below is about income sources. And Sana 5.13 no, about if you want them to remove that condition of no recourse to public funds. Intimatia say, but you explain, mommy, as say all applicants feel or and I say it applies to those I was so feeling with us, right?
Okay, Anchorage.
Yo, I think so no I kind or say forms na honor I can say is mandatory for all applicants to complete. Now, see you share in paragraph 39 of the rules now. I see forms be you be listing or Home Office website set also filling a mandatory. Okay. Now, a specified form is mandatory to complete. So almost under any section of the forms and say it's mandatory for you to complete that. You have to complete. The okay, section 5 honor or maintenance and accommodation. You have to complete that section because it's part of the mandatory sections that has to be completed by an applicant. The no Uncle Ben Chichimu says, oh yeah, parent roots now you don't have to actually show all this. Yeah, that's correct. But the na Uncle Ben actually say, so oh yeah, application under the parent route 10-year route now. The requirements in a year 4 I also satisfy. And not only say relationship requirements, the English, the maintenance, and then the financial immigration status. Now, and I'm say a year abofrana or Jinano so now the application now and ya asitina nintino. Your free be EX1. Say EX1 apply yana it takes away satisfy the other requirements be to say immigration rules, the English language, the maintenance, you know. Into BBI advice say, and I'm say what relationship with a child, you know. Not EX1 of the rules, you know, are applying into. You don't need to satisfy the immigration requirements, the financial requirements, the maintenance requirement, and the English requirement. All that you have to show, and say you have a relationship with the child. So on that basis, you know, you don't actually have to satisfy some maintenance. Say when you see kasene or the hen or die then. Na emum say all complete forms na. So question na ebisa got nothing to do with say or satisfy those requirements. Or more information no keke ehun say that section above a hen out. So you busa a hen out here. It's got to do with accommodation, but that doesn't mean say a person will satisfy say you have a place that is suitable for one will be better than home. And finances no can be say you busa say the income a hen free bar send unya. Yes, you have to complete that. Say this is the first time I all apply. I'm thinking say necessary nyade say otimi ye adwuma because of course we need crata on that basis necessary obi na e be support no on say abibia so your application under the 10-year route na yes unya obi a o say me na maji watena me fie na me ma e bia 20 pound a week to aduane sa bia sika ni free no sa section na all can e wo say wo de hye ho no say e bia me cousin and me sister na e boa me every week bia o ma me 20 pound na me de to aduane nti source of income no will be say you put the sister how much no put to 20 so in a month for 80 pound na when you free sister honum normally application obedi letter kitu obi free sister honum na confirm say ono na o support you because of course uni krata untimi nya adwuma yanko the second phase ebia why ye no are successful na ye ma 2.5 of course ye ma 2.5 no obe start ye adwuma so say ewu na ukoye renewal uye adwuma. So that section completion will be different at this time. Now the source of income will be employment. Na ebia send a wunya na a month ebia wunya 1,500 na they show no. So that doesn't mean say what this information or forms say you are satisfying any maintenance requirement. No, it's just an information that they need in the form to make their decision. So on complete any section bia o match say a mandatory no on complete.
Yeah, I was your 4 over to me after 0203 735 8820. You have a call next text message. So, but in classroom, I mean, and yeah, Zara Bonso, now Dika by. Thank you very much. Akwe Janwa, Priscilla Frimpong, Vidal Mensa, Obama Sumwa, Najimai. Classroom, we're not late. How? Anyway. Oh. Angela Banfo. Last week I did the year.
Nana Kufina started, yes, sir.
Me too, coming you. Uncle Ben, so it has say, monetary for baby will be Chris Raoul, so Boache Bimpon, if you are about Samoa, Sansoni Award Junior, Docas Aqua, Samuel, Sonko Saki. Masa, report yourself. We didn't mean money here. Me report yourself. Anchorage. On the mammy kitchen. Oh. Send me John.
No, be a
I'll keep an eye on that.
Freeman could call if you are somewhere and if you are support. And if you do a more class, so you know, please keep sharing the page now. Fee young call. My team, young call text message just one this one.
When you say first one, okay, I say good morning, Oreku. Please, I'm on 10 years route, which I had through my British child. I submitted the second 2.5 years last year, June, and had my fingerprint August 2017. All my documents, including my child's passport, is at the Home Office. I've not heard from them since I did the fingerprint, which is 1 year now. Please, does it take more than a year? And are they going to consider their delay is within the 2.5 years? I mean, some kind of last bit. Does it take more than a year? And are they going to consider their delay is within the 2
Okay, so yeah, funny say so your application under the appendix FM on relying on your child under the parent rule 10 years now. The expectation say the consideration time about 6 months. Okay, but as you all know, said the BIA can most of the time. So your application now almost the acknowledgement letter aba. Now acknowledgement letter the content will be say. Umbekasho say, and I'm say, well, application raise some human rights things in the consideration time will be outside the normal required consideration period. What that means and they say a bit more time to consider your application. Any application be a reliable baso and now a family rights application, a human rights application. human rights application assessment, has to be detailed. They have to. They sometimes they need more time to actually check a lot of things. It is a unya letter no normal kasa. The expectation have then switched from 6 months ubenya decision to a bit more. However, in the case, make us say 1 year is unreasonable. 1 year is unreasonable in the sense that even say Home Office can say they can consider the application within 6 months. Normally, we expect to say maybe 8 months maximum. Now, but I think it was last year. Not a decided case be. No more to do some cases in order to get the decision from this case so that non-commercial continue and make a decision. I am thinking that this particular case, 1 year and over, this is a case you decided. So you said they are making consideration quite quicker now. Recently, FLRFP application be about 3 months, which is also almost improve or more timing for consideration. It's the make the obusa same way and say a lawyer and a application in manner. I was say almost it's a Home Office. Sometimes Obeka say well ya trauma and I send the email about NT Obunka. If that is the case, say they indeed can make it you say a Friday be pre-action protocol no. Obetimi aye no say you are not talking to the case workers, you are talking to actually legal people or motim ranasi. Say my situation is very unreasonable. My application 1 year and menti omonka. I didn't know omonka mo reasons. They will start department ever contact caseworker na or sir or make a decision na why them and that's one more reason to said that will be the right action to take at the moment because it's over 1 year. Obisa bibi say said no person who said would it affect the two also what that is because of said na the name and son or the application the 10 years is still in it. You say Friday be your regulation I mean the rules in section 3C of the 1971 Act and honestly whilst our application now currently live in we and sana yes our application you still have valid or legal residence continuously. Okay, so it will be inside the 10-year route, so I'm more worried, but can't lawyer and so no answer and so on keep on writing to Home Office chasing for updates. Say if Breno any reasonable response, then on consider making a pre-action protocol claim to the Home Office, then Obenya resource.
Yeah, call lines so 0203-735-8820. If you're not so, we'll come to the next text message now. Uncle Richard Aboye, ano at the hello, good morning. Hello. Oh, would you know so when female? Kafra. Okay. Then you not me quickly me fat voice note back.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning,
GN Radio. Uncle Kwaku and Uncle Ben. Where they me patch or me pese me bisa say EU, so ye EU are warrior. Let's only the panel aware for nearly 5 years now. Let's only the panel a divorce, sir. After divorce no okope or permanent resident in the Pacrono ID. Is it Nipakona Naya Warejano? Is it a requirement? Because minimobia wire application or more refusal based on the fact say one fat in Nipakrono ID anyade anka. But in Nipana one in the hour in a bano, not already no crano, Nipakrono edikai aye juma from 2010-11 to 2017. Just say any panel or a qualified we say already or entitled for permanent residence EU ni bano and this is here now my refusing on my man right of appeal say obey me I appeal or the appeal not to what are the chances say or more ebe granted an application no your friend Nana medase bye bye.
Okay, Nana, Uncle Rich, be you.
Yeah, with the senior, I'm saying question we say wow we aware say about almost every week about this EEA applications and the ID issue, no.
Okay.
Abribia ye church mu say Home Office, yes, Obusa is a requirement. Yes, it is a requirement to set all your application or the EEA national no ID evidence application or ACO. And no comes under the regulation 21.5. Regulation 21 no essay. Application BIA obey under EEA regulation 2016 no it must be accompanied by the either the former EEA national ID document and your ID document. Story it's be behind this requirement. You know, they say before 2016, no. Now let me go a little bit back. 2012. Na so we application na yemfa say woni EU ni bi aware ultimate show say my warrior no elastic for at least 3 years. And I ultimate show say one it try for 1 year. And no regulation 10.5 and they say muja warrior ultimate application say my warrior it was genuine you come me 5 years, which is a confirmation of the fact that I was a family member. Now, Major warrior because the warrior no at least a 3 years and me evidence me no so 1 year.
Okay.
Until now, meet my application na makwa permanent residence. Okay. What happened was that most people, for some reason, Home Office found this trend. Say, why is it that Obia ultimate worry after 5 years? Now, Waja worry. Now the application about say so it became something that they were getting it all the time. And then also BBR happens and I know almost fetch you should the entire yes almost at this almost refuse some of this application now manfa EA national ID no anchor home. And now a court in 2012 there was this case called Barnett, the upper chair tribunal and I can say obia ye application eba ha na our rejay na say one fa EU national no ID and say na yanka ho a it will be unlawful say Home Office be refuse to application. Okay. So it was a glorious day for applicants because now we have a case law to rely on. Say me application na say me show say EU national no or ye juma qualified person under regulation 6 na me the court na me nya na ID no Home Office ni kwa asemo refuse on the authority of that case law. Home Office were pushed at the corner. Then they tried to change the goalpost again. And so here no say no. So I'm for keep on the application way back. But yes, we to me who said there is something really not, something going on here. I don't know, be Jawari. How can it be that at some point Obi them say, well, man, I didn't commit my application to Minfa EU national Huntina Obi Jawari application. And no me say, well, so me overcome sa case law no authority na. Then they will amend the law. They will, your law, your legislation and regulation, and your case law. The difference is that case law, law about every day, judges made decisions. So a higher court make a decision about something, it becomes authority. Apply to other things that will happen in the future. So most of the time, like as a case law, you're progressive because it's really helpful to actually go with current things that are happening as opposed to legislation be 10 years ago a bit archaic. Now Home Office as a same 2016 into first nanka regulation 206 and no na say 21 no na say so application you should the application should be accompanied by the EEA national ID and almost sign 2016 and say the application must. So you see the word should and must. So the must made it mandatory to actually support the application with the ID. Now, people say na case law say omo refuse illegal. I mean unlawful. Then so most of the time running they had that liberty say you sue regulations and say so one for ID no bar. You also refuse because a must requirement, okay? And no must refuse or more since 2016 while the application could be one for I didn't come be and refuse. Now, this is what I'll say to a lot of people because we get this almost every day. We go to court on similar challenge almost every day. Now, since I almost introduce our regulations with this ID refusal, we call court not judge I mean, if it was the only reason why you refuse, sometimes me can be said, okay, also EA national no ID. But what the application eba no de najuma ehun niema aba support your application say o qualify for permanent residence. Na eno de unya no henfa. That is where you should have reasonable explanation as to why you were able to get the treaty rights evidence, which is najuma. Name when yan ID no. You say ID is a very precious document, you know. Until sometimes you're about to make us say, well, me kuno na me no ware kra no na there were domestic violence in sa bema we nya de so de na ID bema me name mu no me ne ijai no na me won adwuma documents it me boaboa no na de me de share baby it's application ya me na me de kan na ID ni de na me say won intend no me nya home office say say if it's reasonable enough they will accept that. Now what the mechanism say so more refuse no just solely on the basis of set one for ID now manner. Court now work on is great because sometimes we work on right of appeal, but so man right of appeal. That's what we court. The chances of being successful no is very very high. Cases high most of the time you call a home office lawyer now and say I don't have anything to say. Na Ebu onso a oba or say case no cry no married draw. Ebu onso and say what did we saw and say so we are grounds of appeal no now all the consul no my and say umbe review case no maka say even cry no asem no cry no ya they say ye gina bi nti ye review case no ye the residence permanent residence card no amount. So he is not in a bad state. On courts now on make ne or ye written statement now on make good reasonable explanation as to why when your ID
or had no say there media me advise am the man basically and say who BWF services no more
because I mean we have high success rate.
I way what the but now when I mean case bro for me call class 1 to poko meet me factual. I mean at the end of the day
exactly. It's more on your word cry. I mean so to me show say one in a year and 3 years. At least our ND 3 years or more now.
You offer WhatsApp number no sympathy jana memfa.
Yes. What's matter Kromano 5 years. And the relationship is genuine. I didn't kwana wenya intia. Or making a written statement in very good, reasonable reasons why when or be successful.
My ya chill be agent line or so for some time. Inti wadarema na yamana kabo.
Pacho, when a friend your friends say which me akasa.
Good morning, me pacho friend in Ekuya.
Koso.
Me pacho me person me be some lawyer say my application to efficacy na for settlement na maintain on can for a long time na me say me who say me apply for student loan almost say mo pay me ID it meet me actual efficacy for any some for me book number me na me pacho
yo Nana is it Nana Kuya is it Nana Nana Kuya okay Nana Kuya pacho so ho here say last time meet you can that's good well so application for home office na say wo ye application for student finance support na almost omu here wo idea so we request or passport now unfortunately the application now not just say we request back your application okay you don't because of some passport and supporting evidence now or more share normally consider your application no you cannot request it back okay the only time I would request passport and say bia wo gina wo kunu so na your application na wo do kunu British passport e kan application ho call ya you can request no mono passport no for a very good reason say bibia happen emergency to two kwant wo hia ne passport na no de omo be copy na omo de abro even some fans say bia wo ba a passport na wo gina so there from 10-year route application and no crowd say o ma no wo the application call ya na o ma return passport na bro you don't even have to request anymore but one kasa o passport need I'm afraid it has to be with the application because omo be use and also account supporting evidence and how they are consider our application enti onim de obey fa letter na acknowledgement letter na wonsa kan ya wo the application call no fa eka enema student finance bisa no ho na a small cover note say wo application or home office or more consider now these are the documents I will submit including your passport so on this occasion you are unable to present the passport however as soon as make a decision na omode woniema na bro no what the passport remember so our copy for passport copy no eka ho na efa koma wo mu I'm say it will satisfy them for now no matter just okay maybe we will hold on or we will wait so once eka oniema na now the aba okay so don't request for your passport I'm sorry.
Thank you, thanks a lot.
Okay.
Okay, me start question, you know, so. Okay, thank you very much. Now, me start question, you know, Uncle Richard. Wait here, say, any immigration, but I would do.
Any litigation, you know, obi person see obi and
I hope so. The attorney say, obi say. Our right to buy our nedanya watimu council house na ya brand krata se obetimi ato na enya ho no tiankasa ya deda ne ma no ni pani and a team ne letters ni ade for very long time being for but ni na na team bibia also mutua wo saade no ho bia mutua
okay
enti no onim say anasa council for no feel say or you okay ena yaka ache no say obetimi ato
yeah
but no ankasa nso or 2 other properties in addition to council flat na ni penny etimo no the handbag konso na say we 2 free ha as say or ye adwuma wo US okay obetimi akoso I responded to council for nekata and say the right to buy into obetimi ato ananse omani nua na otimo na ne niam nyina fafie ho no enko forward say efie no me na metimi ato probably with the help of Mrs. Stano ananse bibisa ayewon na kakra
okay
oti America ono anso efie no ye de man no be 1 or 2 years so to free mu no dane man nua no so atena mu efie be ese de wo honi obeyede.
First of all, memo story kakra history behind this right to buy thing. But before I do that, you know, adie bakwa yenya factor crucial yenya ne se ni nua ya o timu sese no or ye tenant na se ka so be a tenant on se council no ma odana so we ye bema we no we ye be se mumie no nyina mo ye tenants of this property.
Okay.
My thinking is 10 years ago now me a housing officer or branch district council idea we am say me delay with some time what they are not yet say one a tenant because all your tenants in kwana will be right to buy.
Okay.
It's a new no and can ho any tenants or agreement no so they necessary ye nas in chain and there's a man answer question when say I will no kwana a tenant no na what are ne right say obetima to on to minto.
Okay.
You know in 1979, Yamame Margaret Thatcher, Prime Minister Okroma, the late, ne star policy, you know, Thatcherism, ya ne taka. Adieba kwa oye ya ubia de kaino, any right to buy. Abribiana ye can't assemble say Englishman's home is his castle. You know, Britain, ye in Krumano, Britain for adio mo pepa, so ubia pe se onwa wo ni fee home. Continent in Tessa, I mean, Germany, those places won't be catch or they don't care. I mean, only on the flatter, that's fine.
That's fine.
By Kruma City, Ubia Pese or only the own home. And on that basis, you know, this policy was one of those policies that it was so popular that in 1980s, almost 6 million people bought their council house because you get a discount. Depending on how long what's not honor. So your amount right to buy, and those days, 3 years, to be sure, say, what's now council home for 3 years, then they give you a discount to buy. The main objective behind this policy was that say a more council home you know sometimes I would me pass it on to any part now and it immediately and sana or free mono. So then what was the point? Say you did an amount now which you so little as rent. Whilst you catch or say toi. While do Sikatwa, then you will be responsible for everything that goes with the property. So, for example, maintenance. See, the dana ma would £100 a month. Council and the besa abe painty or mobile guard no baby beer. This policy was great. It was a win-win situation. Over to them for life. So yeah, the amount while be maintain it, while baby beer, but the council get money to also rebuild other properties for other people who are on the housing register. Now, Obusa say. say facts no or say on tiho say or 2 properties or America or free money that yen share the entitlement requirement na then na requirements be no mo dey ato on say kroma bibia anye free. I say your application sometimes clients be ba how be say lawyer me oba or a British but menenente but yes will be a British to me application betima. The answer is ubetima name would you be successful, so you should be asking the right questions. Yes, ubetimi I application so person to them, but would you be successful? And only you share the requirements no. Medical back also also we tenants. So not just a within war agreement no so we tenants. Not two so no I was say a public sector housing and I say secured tenancy. So either a council home and I say housing association. The difference between housing association and council home and I say before the 80s not your more secure tenancy the council na the amount but so recently no councils ni nyina de omo dan na omo hold as stock no omo de ma associations to manage so we council tenant na afi wo nya council tenant bi mo wa be housing association tenant but currently no so your housing association tenant you wouldn't have a right to buy your council home now what me show mum say now we council tenant before into we say no and I'm so I hold this property at Chennington. You find say now a council tenant before into say even no council not transfer properties in our housing association. He will also come under that provision so obey entitled. So court tick boxes about your obey 71 or a tenant and no article and or council housing tenants, you know, a council tenant and even if the property has been transferred. That one is also tick. You don't have to. A property shouldn't be a sheltered accommodation. Sheltered accommodation is a adapting or say be a wheelchair to me and I the amount. I know they won't mean to because is designated for people who are also here and more. So they always keep those houses and 2% not worth from now they are moving. Okay.
And also Mr. It's who free more between amount another to buy.
So your friend say when accidents and night be BNT. And our per housing a bit meet needs na council and so in a found called bungalow which don't have steps in this idea. No, it's now 5 years. And Rana says what's not council them more than 3 years ultimate. To also person. No, my own told down way because I adapted for some special needs and only excluded from the properties are right to buy. Okay, so and only so we say share requirements. Okay, and so and yet sheltered accommodation. So that one is also you should be able to say is it due to be demolished? You know, so over sure flying path or Heathrow. Most is almost expansion. So fancy be out fell from home baby now. Plain no honor fancy expansion you have a right to buy that property but unfortunately because it comes under the demolition policy obey excluded my own toss because of course why would you buy a property that will be demolished in 5 years so that takes you away and you can say what problems with debt so you find say also person to them but you check your history what the car won't and no be affected and I'm said the last one and you can say there shouldn't be any outstanding possession order against you. Say, beer now what time be, and now why into an hour name of Basana, ye free in some necessary a you free. It is all share in as me, I will be say. Although say or take any money be no, I did back quite in here, pan say. I was said, baby, I would say, either your main home or your only home. Okay? Your main home or your only home. The difference between that is your main home is, say, one house. Or your exactly, and that's your only home. Main home could be that maybe now another property one, but sir, baby, I person and only baby I would no family in Amuti. So you can have other properties, but it could be maybe a holiday home. Say be one bedroom be south end, sometimes Okohonum. That's not your main home. So you can actually have a right to buy, although you have that property. In this case, he lives in America in his main home there. So home ye wa haya ni nuati enye ni main home and as the only home. So and no are unsatisfied until will take him out from the eligibility criteria to satisfy to be able to buy this home. So the American say it's unfortunate. I mean, the process, is straightforward. Obesishe sa omo application form, omo de beba no. Say RTB1 form. Ebebu sa, about the property na. Oda kwa koma landlord nanka omahwe. Omo enya, I was within about 4 weeks. Omo ma response say, yeah, a form now fill and qualify into yes, yeah, bank quite wait matter. Then no akwa mortgage. What's your deposit nanka what? But in this case, unfortunately, I'm afraid to say because of property now opposite or your right to buy cancel it. They don't know, but also form now all this will come out. Also, the say on the because they are encouraging people to buy the homes so that it comes off their list, and then you are liable to keep the maintenance and everything, and they get the money, chunk money to buy to build other properties. So council at the forms, any letter command say ultimately a top property doesn't mean say he can actually do it because they will still assess his circumstances. The mechanic say because of say any main and only home, no. Now on Krumha, of course, form so kuma I'm so bit call online or download this form. No her questions na ebisana or no abe say some of them he can answer because umbusa sa question we nyina if one fancy show no na the danger is if he pursue this the council will know that he is no more the tenants of this property, he no more have any interest in this property, then of course a dying hoarding will come happen. So you bet me I can say any a dying can say here. Council a dying the mouse or bet him now one house. So here be there also engineer the mobile will be here. So on to me and talk a day because of the requirement he will not meet, I'm afraid.
Yeah. Well. Yeah, that's my star question. Oh, I'm a fast about.
I'm sorry.
Before because on say me na me nim say bia o cancel dan now to dan fofra is not allowed. On megini on make say bia so we to any scar to be there and cancel there now timo no say a different one sem.
No, and yeah. Okay, my more example. Anthony Joshua. You know Anthony Joshua, boxer very successful man. Ne mame. So or that's so to cancel property. Anthony Joshua can buy all the mansions, now. But what decided say or say or attachment to the place. It's one of the person ne mame e da so e wo ho. Nti cancel no be sad na there be. Baroness Wasi now a consecutive chairman. Or Asia. Or council house. So a baroness or a consecutive chairman. She has a lot of money. But because of say definitely definitely in India, but definitely we assume that's what to die. Anthony Betma to die be or baby and now boys, but and no one say Senko Muska omu ebitimi and our to baby into your bed there be in front. And on Kanyama Ebami but it's morally right that so Uska Nanka Wofu Nanka Yedano Amo Bia here because you are no more in need, but there is no law because of say when you scan into maybe a free hole and that's what's matter than to free hole.
Okay. Right. I was here for and the class why do Isaac Usu dear Penakio Usu for fear Abama Sumwa Vidal Mensa the interaction there is very interesting. Gasco Godfred Gabriel Dudu. How do you know? Danny Kujo Asante, Doris Smith, Zara Bonsu, and Mabano. I like the way you are asking people to share. Fia Sapon, so that's Dividanti, I mean, Insha, Freeman Kudeko, so Obama Sumwa, and then Najima, Mobile Jumapa. Keep sharing the page now. Young call, Yanimana for the Dona, so and Timmy, Enya. The benefit of this very wonderful program. Now, Messiah Abo Amani said, Ubenya live a war BWF Solicitors on Facebook page and also and Sakrana GN Radio UK, both our personal page and the fan and the corporate page. Ubenya ho unyanso na wa share send amount for yeno sa no. Now, Richard, Mr. Question we Mami Emfa Emra na Obi Bisa. It sounds very simple, but why any chia barrister's fee? Solicitor instructed a barrister on the behalf of the client. Why need chia?
Okay, two ways.
And then my question star one star for
two ways. So oko solicitor ho na instructing no say on take over your case or no what retainership more contracts. So the contract will actually stipulate what you have to pay for his or her services, your legal costs. Yeah, say you wadi be from the client care. Client care no detail sika ya charge you. Ebia utua bi na ka bia data was utua. Sa client care na so esa chere say bia case ni appealer. Of course, you be instructed counsel to go and represent you in court. So social solicitor na yejuma say you be prepare the bundle na ya send bibia na ya bo na wa your witness statement. Na ya present the case to court. Na ya instructed barrister to go with you to court to represent you. Now who pays that barrister? A contract. Inti say you buy and you catch the say you appeal ebia you appeal na budget £100. £100 no includes ye boboa o case nyina no na dey court. Na ya instruct barrister no akọ. So sane you catch the wa na che say we no dey what you £100 na mayen what you
you hear say okay see we ni okay.
But so ba na ka say ye fees £100. Na ye instruct barrister so ado beje no e be ba be yes, and another extra a year ubetua. Then that is the contract. Okay. It is £100. Na case ni time ni do on near say for council esika ne bra na also the ba na yetua council. So it's until I say 2 ways, and it depends on what was contained in your contracts with the solicitor. So also utia council fees na most of the time, na ye charge a boom say ubetua council fees ne ye fees but trend be urban say nowadays ye say it will be fair say ye be charge ye fees na what your council fees. The reason no say sometimes cases ni be not all of the cases are heard in London. It say be our strategic council so obi case is in Birmingham. Council will travel to Birmingham the day before the court because sometimes cases are heard at 10 a.m. Into council per se be a obeko enumerate now wakoda B&B nice and upon what made drawn one case conference before the hearing. On that case, not just say to your council no if fees separate a council no be raise invoice. Say be I may travel £200 and I'm fees so £500. Next I £700. Then you have to pay that council fees separate from your legal fees na your charge one. Okay, so that is what. So clients should be proactive in knowing that am I paying these fees together with council fees, or I am paying your fees and then I will pay council fees.
So when to me and Miss more client care, say they work in the already.
Yeah, client care. Say your client care. Say. You charge your fees because we can also and the complexity of VAT payment and all these things, accounting is something else also. We in our account department and me lawyer oba mo amenji sika free ho obekwa kotua me mom me raise invoice na wakotua my accountant they have to work out who pays VAT and all that. So your client care assistance and they say you charge now you call appealer your fees. It excludes council fees. Okay, it is all bad. Near catch say also to your council fee $500 that you have to pay because sana your client care say your legal fees because we cannot actually monitor someone's VAT by your council fees and so I can't later now then who pay the VAT on that money? It becomes complicated. And I'm not Uncle Ben any meeting cry now or church as I said. This is because of for accounting reasons in your G and your fees. Now what's your council so fees? Utie na council G lesser no what you say high and so. But and I'm saying your chambers I know more argument we have a very good relationship with these chambers that they charge reasonably well. So their charges are one of those low side of it. And ye charge young choir fees. Na council fees so wa watua nan sekra de yen say council no or reason invoice I buy the be say council to wa kra opa to na account direct na just one who say woni ni sa ntanye no this kana amaye. So no. So it's yeah client can no would your fees. No to your cancel fees.
My your time not so up but we've so so for the past 20 minutes.
We nya botre
and honeymoon into one boy.
Mate me papa mpacho wa phone so no obetumi akasa obechia lawyer na waka ne eda wakoma so na wa answer. Hello Kola.
Oh,
watch it.
Facha me na no be so
good. Na offer WhatsApp sa no me sure say be you no. Because we free WhatsApp. My phone so say WhatsApp line no is purposely for WhatsApp messages. Intimate sermon say I am bia opeso remove try the other numbers na obi wo so a. Say ne tie ne say lawyer kasa yentumi mpeke na nipa ko no twen enti no se wo se lawyer kasa just nyabotre kakra na gina so maye na ode to so a ye be pick o call na mo na ofre WhatsApp line e die yesre nim eni diara ye ntumi mpeke WhatsApp call no ti se what test ni akan ama. Thank you very much.
I was here for and then so ye de ebesie na ye de aseda kese ama Uncle Richard sir and then so free na dwuma mu eba wo yen wo ha we be ye questions no and then me the star questions me no and buy etiefo nso so me da mo se mo allow me ma ja me so me de me star question no eba ye se ebit me sure se be bo ankrofo de say housing issue me gidi is ankrofo wo issues with it pa se u nim se wo sa issue ni bia me so fa wani extra BWF Solicitors Uncle Richard can was say why expert obedi hu juma ma pa nti ukokodru ha na usa wonyira kra BWF Solicitors sabe immigration nko a usika sam kwan ya obefa so a abusia sam ba ko mienu bi lawyer bomme nkomo tumifo ni ade okwa obo wadaje omo beye de men de kra ni say Christmas na be den e be party enti abusia for Mr. Mo fa ho bo BWF Solicitors omo 214 to 218 talk na my road no so e was 7 sisters edan ye friend no Anna House 4th floor ho na omo wo 0208 493 7340 your telephone number Monday to Friday free anopa 9:30 ekusi anwumre 6 o'clock bia omo eye adwuma ne dru theater no pan so de na say the icing on the cake omo ba ebe kan ho ewo GN radio so na fi ye the legal hour bro dru ha your number de adwuma 0203 735 8820 announcer we send a voice note and answer WhatsApp or text message at your brain 077 879 39958 eya na questions nyina ni timi answer but do we ba no se udi a kire ho se obi asam ebi obi epro na solve obi problem ma no ye wi a at the Facebook page no so forever and ever enti obetimi akwa na fi watu hu anamo na se what the atoto case no ho na your Facebook and so GN Radio UK but yen ka wotini GN Radio UK and afei so your DAB so Sky platform no your 0185 Uncle Richard we there opinion say my fan time kakra but e dey na de be answer no sorry
yo we dey senior ade ketewa bi na me de beje for na say na case law bi omo make decision bi say home office ya na omo etedi nsema no omo di nsema you know on say the ordinance bar for ID issue ya na yake sometimes cases be ohonoma otimu say there are no merits in it at all enti omo gina so the refuse application no now what the court is now saying is say home office make those kind of unreasonable decisions now they should actually, I mean, when you appeal against that decision, now omunya grounds now, omun review, now omun timimbuwa nanka omun kati cost to say applicants ebesa ko hun lawyer, no wako instructed barrister, no wako court, why incur so much legal cost, whilst a home office no say asem omu can end you know, because for instance, what refuse will be say one funny ni idea ma. Enipa no ese osofa domestic violence entina nya de se ni kunu no it won't work would you to move first man 5 years or a family member or evidence in United States we suffer domestic. So there's the expectation for so different ID man is nil. Munim some quarter you are losing these cases. Okay, why is it that Mokosu refuse on same grounds? Na applicants no sa go to incur further legal costs no court. Mo ebi wako omuma. Senior home office won't come. Everyone saw buy I was I don't have anything to say. Everyone saw us or buy I was well we withdraw. Then council are court no why in cost whether or kasai and now one kasai. So sa cost na why in one each. This is so unreasonable on the part of Home Office to pursue cases that have no merit. So you know, you're afraid they be Robinson Clare cases. Robinson Clare cases, and they say cases ultimately say you can't challenge this. Then don't go to court with it. Review it and make a decision. And to them, DJ phone say, also Ghana, you are not litigation. You are permanent solution. I think say the men me too much. Was it Yako court, you know? Now Home Office presenting officer, but say I don't have anything to say. So there, you can actually say, you know what, you have to pay my cost. Yes. Wasted cost because you know based on that case law, they say, you can actually, but say you're money into because of course Home Office of presenting officer, and they say I don't have anything to say. So Monfaman. Very happy, you know, in German can many madi men pem was. But Sam says, nipa be starting now challenges Home Office Mamma Boka qua. Intia, Omobe Senians and Omo who say we don't have to really take all these things to court all the time.
Me say I'm a basic BIA.
It's a crab, so just all starting. It's the immediate for say there is something like that. And one more last thing they say appeals, you know, not the be Uncle Ben a catcher ye meeting every month be a year training near no cassette or encourage you say your appeals now say the content because all the content and also my Home Office chance now review case you know not to say withdraw and sakra na mako court enti se wana wo ye wa dia try say yana abibia obedi documents I will rely on no be content maybe na o review case na o mo amfa ama court so mu ejina so denden so no the court so na hwe na nsem no mu di and so ani na wo ni nje ho a obetima ka che say in fact omomo a na tua wo legal cost no because o man di asem ni okay eti mechia mu nyina na say mama me stay for here 2 weeks na I success thank you very much I'm grateful
me the Uncle Ben be Ghana no asa
no sa no lawyer on ne koy on no so gine mu no
well on say lawyers we act on instructions of our clients say client we be advise you say you can do this say the McCain say you know, actually, you can actually ask them to pay your cost because of how unreasonable they've been. Okay. So, what as a lawyer, German and car, I will just have to so because I act on the instructions. Okay. Yeah.
I was for and your day ABC. If I'm a Roku from Paul, many about my tea and your day Abramo. Same time next week. You be sign about you. Good morning. Yeah.
Before? Well, that's the truth. And the